morning, children. One of the famous mathematician Pythagoras once quoted that number rules the universe. From this statement, one can easily realize the importance of mathematics in our life. So let us see how we can play with the number. In the previous video, I explained to you about rational number, and in this video, I am going to give you the representation of rational number on number line and the standard form of rational number. So let us see how we are going to represent a rational number on number line. Let us take an example, minus 3 by 5. Okay, we have to represent this on number line. So first of all, you have to look at the denominator. You have to examine the denominator here. Just look at here carefully. Denominator is 5. So what we will do here? Just draw a number line. Put the 0 in the middle. Okay. And the denominator is 5. So we will make here 5 divisions like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put here 1. Once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put here 2. Then once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Then come to the left side. In the same way you will make a division here. 5 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here minus 2 and so on. Okay. Now our number line is ready. Now we have to see what rational number has been given here. That is minus 3 by 5. So look the numerator. Numerator is minus 3. Okay. So just minus 3. Just to find minus 3, we will go this left side because negatives are from, on the left side. So just from 0 you start counting 3. Okay. 1, 2. Just let me change the number. 1, 2, 3. Just look at here. This is our minus 3 by 5. Okay. So this way we can represent a rational number on number line. Let us take one more example. Suppose I am giving you minus 7 by minus 4. Suppose this type of rational number is there. So what you will do first change it into standard form. The standard form, just I will explain it what is that. Just cancel the minus from here. Then this will become 7 by 4. Positive. Now once again draw a number line like this. Put here 0 in the middle and look to the denominator. Denominator is 4. So we will make 4 divisions every time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here minus 1. Left side of 0, it contains minus. So we will put here minus sign. Okay. So once again 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here minus 2. And so on. You can represent more. Now we will examine the numerator. So look at here, the numerator is our 7, which is positive. Which is positive. So we will look to the right side of 0. So just start counting after 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this represents 7 by 4. Okay, or you can say minus 7 by minus 4. Just don't confuse that minus is there, so it should be in the left side. If we are going to cancel this minus will be cancelled because it is present in the numerator and it is present in the denominator. So we will just cancel it and make it positive. That is 7 by 4 is a positive rational number and therefore we will represent it on the right side of 0. Okay. Let us take one more example. Let us see. If I am going to represent this, suppose 5 by minus 2. This time I have given negative sign in the denominator. No problem. What you will do, just replace this negative sign from denominator to the numerator. Okay, this is your minus 5 by 2. Just change the rational number into this form. Now just draw a number line here. Put 0 here in the middle. Once again you will make the division, but this time you are going to make division of 2. Because just look at here, in the first question there was 5 present in the denominator, so we had made here 5 divisions. In the question number B, 4 is present in the denominator, so we have made 4 divisions here. And in question number C, 2 is present in the denominator, so we will make 2 divisions. Okay, so look at here, 1, 2, this is 1, 1, 2, this is 2, 1, 2, this is 3, 1, 2, this is 4. In the same way, come to the left side. 1, 2, this is minus 1, 1, 2, this is minus 2, and this is 1, 2, this is minus 3, and so on. Okay. Now, next we will examine the numerator. So, numerator is here minus 5. Numerator is minus 5. So, definitely we will check in the left side of 0. So, just let us see where it is present. Minus 5. So 0, leave the 0, don't count the 0, okay, from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be your minus 5 by 2. Look the way how I have represented a rational number on number line. There are different methods of representing it. If you have another method, if you feel that that method is easy for you, you can go for that one. Okay, but I think this is the best and the easiest method to represent a rational number on number line. Okay, so let us come. Just let me give you 1-2 question. Just minus 2 by 5 and minus 7 by 6. Just try yourself. Okay, just try to represent these two rational number on number lines. Okay, come to our next topic, that is standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number. Okay, just look at here. And why this is important, I will explain you just by giving few examples. Standard form of rational number. What does it say? Standard form कब बोलेंगे? When the rational number is in its lowest form. In its lowest form. Okay. First condition. Okay. If you want to check that whether the rational number is standard form or not, first you have to check whether it is in lowest form or not. If it is not in lowest form, you have to reduce it in lowest form. Okay. Next, you have to put negative sign. Put negative sign if present before numerator. Okay, that is another numerator. Don't confuse. This is numerator. Okay, numerator. I have written here numerator. Now look at here. What criteria are given for standard form of rational number? That the rational number should be in its lowest form, and the second one is if negative sign is present in that, the negative sign should be present before numerator. Okay, just look at here examples. Suppose I am giving you few rational numbers. You have to write it in the standard form. SF, that is stand for standard form, and RN, that is stand for rational number. Okay, just see. If I am giving you minus 7 by 5, then what is the standard form of this rational number? To change it into a standard form, you have to check these two criteria. Just check it. If the rational number is in lowest form or not. So 7 by 5, we cannot get anything common between these two numbers. That means 7 and 5 both are in its lowest form. And the next criteria is put negative sign is present before numerator. Negative sign is present before numerator. That means this rational number is already in standard form. This rational number is already in standard form, that is minus 7 by 5. Next, suppose one more question. I am giving you 8 by minus 3. 8 by minus 3. So just look at here. First, whether it is in lowest form or not. So 8 and 3. Does it contain any number common? No. So we can say that 8 and 3, 8 by minus 3 is in its lowest form. Now look to the second criteria, that is if negative sign is present, you have to put it before numerator. So we can see easily here that negative sign is before denominator. Just change it into numerator. We can write here minus 8 by 3. This is the standard form of this rational number. You don't have to change this denominator. Minus 3 by 8. No, minus 3 by 8. We cannot change this. This is not the standard form. We have to change only the sign, that is negative sign. जो minus है, we have to change it. We have to replace it in the numerator, not the digit. Okay. 8 by minus 3 and minus 8 by 3 both are equivalent. So change of sign doesn't affect on the rational number. Both are equal. Next, if you will get the question like this, just a minute. Suppose I have given you the question like this, minus 8 by 16. Okay, you have to change it into standard form. You have to change it into standard form. So first criteria we will check that whether this is in lowest form or not. So just to see 8 and 16. Is there any number common between this? Yes, definitely 8 is common between these two number. So we can just reduce it here. That is 1 8 is 8 and 2 8 is 16. Okay. Next, we will see that whether negative sign is present before numerator or not. So negative sign is before numerator. That means minus 1 by 2 is our standard form. Okay, good. Now once again, just look at here. If minus 7 by minus 11. If the question is like this, minus 7 by minus 11. Now you have to change it into standard form. So first criteria, we will see that whether it is lowest form or not. Yes, 7 by 11, definitely it is in lowest form because we are not going to get any number common between these two numbers. Next, we have to take the second criteria, whether negative sign is present before numerator or not. But look at this example. I have given negative sign before numerator also and before denominator also. That means we have to cancel negative sign from denominator. That means if minus minus is present in both numerator and denominator, that means this rational number is equivalent to 7 by 11. Minus minus, it will be cancelled. And the standard form of minus 7 by minus 11, it will be 7 by 11. Okay, it's clear? Now let us come to the next topic. Why this topic is important? Standard form of rational number. Just look at here. When you are going to compare two rational numbers, look at here. If I give you compare minus 8 by 5 and minus, not minus, just a minute. Minus 8 by 5 and 3 by minus 7. Suppose I have given you this question, minus 8 by 5 and 3 by minus 7. Compare this, you have to tell which one is greater. Okay. Now, first, by comparing two rational numbers, first of all, you have to change it into standard form. If you will not change it into standard form, then your answer will be wrong. Just let us see how we are going to do. So, in standard form, okay, standard form, that is SF, I have written in short SF, okay, standard form. Minus 8 by 5, it is already in standard form, okay, nothing is common between this 8 and 5, this is in the lowest form, and plus negative sign is placed before numerator, so this is in standard form. But the second one, 3 by minus 5, 3 by minus 5, you can see that negative sign is before denominator. So we will replace it into numerator. So this will be minus 3 by 7. Okay. Now we will cross multiply. Cross multiplication method you better know. You have read in class 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. So what we will do here? We will just cross multiply it. Just look at the answer. 8 into 7 and here minus 3 multiply 5. So what we will get here? 8 7s are 56 and here 3 5s are 15. Now can you tell me which is greater? Definitely this is minus 15 is greater. Negative में उल्टा होता. So this is minus 15 is greater than minus 56. Now just to replace the rational number. Okay, minus 56 किसके बदले है? Minus 8 by 5. Okay, greater, and this is 3 by minus 7. That is 3 by minus 7 is greater than minus 8 by 5. Now see, if you will not change into standard form, then what will happen? Just look at here. Yes, just look at here. If a student doesn't change this rational number into standard form, look the answer what he will get. Minus 8 by 5 and there 3 by minus 7. If without changing into standard form we are going to cross multiply it, what will happen here? Just look at here. Minus 8 into minus 7 and here 3 multiply 5. So 8 7s are 56 and minus minus, that is plus, and 3 5s are 15. Now 56 or 15, which is greater? Definitely 56 will be greater. Now 56 you can replace it with the rational number given 3 by minus 7. Now look the answer. So this process is definitely wrong. You will not get this answer. If you will change, if you want to check that whether this process is correct or this process is correct, just change it into decimal. अगर आप इसको डेसिमल में पॉइंट में चेंज करेंगे और तब कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर. Just wait a minute. I will just do it for you also. So this process is wrong. You cannot do this. Okay. You cannot do this. Whenever you have to compare two rational number, you have to change it into standard form. Then only you will get a correct answer. Just look at here. Once again, I will do it for you. Look at here. If minus 8 by 5 is there, just change it into decimal. What you will get here? 5, 8, 5 1 is 5, this is 3, then point, then this is 0, 5 6 is 30. Okay, that means you will get here minus 1.6. Once again 3 by 7, that is divide 3 by 7. Okay, you will get here 0.7. This is 0, 7 4s are 28 and this is 2. Okay, and here is 0, 7 2s are 14 and so on. Just let us consider only 2 digit after decimal. Okay, so here we will get 3 by minus 7, that is this is equivalent to minus 0.42 and this is equivalent to minus 1.6. Just put here 0 for your convenience. Okay, now you can easily tell me that whether minus 1.60 is greater or minus 0.42 is greater. Minus में you have read about integers, you have to keep very clear about the negative signs. Okay, negative में जो छोटा वाला होता है वही हम लोगों का बड़ा होगा. Okay, so we can see that this fraction, this rational number is greater. So we can easily conclude from here that minus 8 by 5, 3 by minus 7, that is 3 by minus 7 is greater than minus 8 by 5. So just keep it in mind that while comparing two rational number, first of all you have to change it into standard form. Okay, just I am giving you one question, just try to solve it. You have to compare it. Okay, which one is greater? Minus 3 by minus 7 and minus 2 by minus 5. Okay, I have just given you this question, just try to solve this question at home. Okay, in the next video we will deal with decimal representation of a rational number टिल देन घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, खुश रहिए। थैंक यू।